Dear students, now I am going to start from the end of the previous video where we have developed the cost function. So here cost function is CZ is nothing but the holding cost from 1 plus shortage cost from 2. Fine. So this is from first, this is from 2. When you are adding, then we will get this cost function. Now for minimization, this is delta CZ is equals to CZ plus 1 minus CZ. This is from the forward difference. But what we have, delta CZ is this. So just substitute R from 0 to, in place of Z, just write down Z plus 1. So Z plus 1. C1 Z plus 1 minus R PR plus summation R from Z plus 2 to infinite C2 R minus Z minus 1 PR. Fine. So we get this expression minus CZ. CZ is R from 0 to Z C1 Z minus R PR minus summation R from Z plus 1 to infinite C2 R minus Z PR. Fine. So this is from equation number 3. So now here take summation R from 0 to Z C1 Z plus 1 minus R PR. Here Z, here is Z plus 1. So put R is equal to Z plus 1. तो हमने Z तक यहाँ ले लिया है, R की वैल्यू Z plus 1 हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो what we will get plus C1 Z plus 1 minus R की जगह Z plus 1 डाल देंगे तो Z minus 1 P Z plus 1. Fine, this will be 0, cancel out, so ultimately 0 plus. Similarly here we will see, so here we will start with R from Z plus 1. So R from Z plus 2, जब हम Z plus 2 है तो अगर इसमें मैं Z plus 1 भी डाल R की वैल्यू ऐड कर लूँ, so if we start with this R from Z plus 1 to infinite C2 R minus Z minus 1 PR, तो इसमें मैंने एक वैल्यू ऐड की है Z plus 1 बट नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम Z plus 2, सो माइनस C2 Z plus 1 R की जगह Z plus 1 माइनस Z minus 1 PZ plus 1. यही नंबर इसमें ऐड किया, यही सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो बैलेंस हो गया, तो ये अगेन कैंसिल आउट, तो 0. फाइन. सो दिस इज रिटर्न हियर 0 टू Z plus 1 to this minus 0 to Z this and this. Now you can merge these two because summation is same. When you merge, then finally you will get this C1 R from 0 to Z PR minus C2 Z plus 1 to infinite PR. Fine. C1 is 0 to Z PR minus C2. Now this can be written as this part can be written as the summation PR R from Z plus 1 to infinite. This can be written as summation R from 0 to infinite PR minus summation R from 0 to Z PR. 0 to infinite and 0 to Z. जब इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा तो Z plus 1 to infinite बचेगा. But we know that this is the probability. So the sum of this summation will be 1 minus summation R from 0 to Z PR. When you combine these two, we get C1 plus C2 R from 0 to Z PR minus C2. Fine. So this is equation number 5. Similarly, this is delta CZ. Similarly, delta CZ minus 1. So put Z, replace Z by Z minus 1 here. So what we get, C1 plus C2 R from 0 to Z minus 1 PR C2. Now substitute these values in this equation. substitute this value in this equation for the minimum cost. Equation number 4. Put these values cz minus 1 and cz in equation number 4. So here we get this. This is delta cz minus 1. This less than 0 is less than delta cz from equation number 5. Fine. So after solving this, we get this inequality. Fine. So just takes adding C2 and then divide by C1 plus C2. So we get this equation. So this is the expression. This expression is used to find out the optimum solution. Optimum solution means number of units Z. So if Z0 is such that this left hand part is exactly equal to this C2 upon C1 plus C2 and less than equal to this left hand part, this is exactly equal to, then Cz minus 1 is equal to Cz0, and the optimum value of stock Z is either Z0 minus 1 or Z0. Similarly, when the right hand side is equal, here this value is exactly same as the right hand side summation, then the optimum solution is either Z0 or Z0 plus 1. तो अगर ये वैल्यू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के बराबर होगी तो स्टॉक या तो Z0 माइनस 1 होगा या Z0 होगा. ऐसे ही अगर ये वैल्यू राइट हैंड साइड के बराबर होगी तो या तो स्टॉक Z0 होगा या Z0 प्लस 1 होगा. फाइन. दिस इज द वे. सिमिलरली द कंटिन्यूअस केस. इन कंटिन्यूअस केस व्हाट वी हैव only this change here. This is the discrete case. Cz is this summation. But in continuous case, now Z is this. If the units are not discrete, that is the stock level is continuous variable with probability density function PDF FR, then the total expected cost for the model is given by this. So here in place of PR probability we are using FR, probability density function. Fine. Here is C1Z minus R PR, here is C1Z minus R FR DR. समेशन की जगह इंटीग्रल कर दिया गया है. लिमिट इज 0 to z. फाइन. प्लस C2 R minus Z PR, here is FR DR, and then limit is, because this is the continuous case not the discrete, so limit here Z plus 1 की जगह Z से start हो जाएगा, because this is the continuous case, continuity is maintained. Fine. Here the continuity is maintained because the discrete case, क्योंकि यहाँ डिस्क्रीट केस था तो Z के बाद Z प्लस 1 ही आएगा. यहाँ कंटिन्यूस केस है तो Z के बाद Z से ही स्टार्ट होगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम दिस मॉडल as it is same model. So now for Cz to be minimum, dC by dz should be 0. So just differentiate this with respect to Z. So d by dz r from 0 to z, C1 Z minus R FR dr plus d by dz of r from z to infinite this. Now this is differentiating with the principle which says that पहले हम इसको partially differentiate करेंगे. So 0 to z del by del z C1 Z minus R FR dr plus now substitute the upper limit which is z. तो r की जगह z रखेंगे तो C1 Z minus Z FZ then dz by dz minus lower limit रखेंगे अब C1 Z minus 0 f of 0 d0 by dz, that means 0. Fine. So this principle is, which is this. So this will be r from 0 to z del by del z C1 Z minus R FR dr. This is then plus put upper limit C1 Z minus Z FZ dz by dz. This is upper limit Z minus lower limit C1 Z minus 0 F0 d0 by dz. This is the lower limit. So this will be 0. So this is written here. Plus similarly this del by del z C2 R minus Z FR dr minus upper limit when you put z, so z minus z will be 0, so 0. This is the lower limit. ये lower limit, ये this is upper limit from upper limit, this is from the lower limit. Fine. So lower limit में रखेंगे तो माइनस C2 एंड R की जगह क्या लिखेंगे, z इनफाइनाइट, सॉरी z, C2 z माइनस z f z dz दिस प्लस, जब इनफाइनाइट रखेंगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, 0. फाइन. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस C1 इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट किया इस पार्ट को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू z, सो वी गेट C1 FR dr माइनस ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये वाला पार्ट को भी रेस्पेक्ट में किया तो माइनस, यहाँ से माइनस आएगा, C2 z r फ्रॉम z टू इनफाइनाइट FR dr इक्वल टू 0. फाइन. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू C1 r फ्रॉम 0 टू z FR dr माइनस C2. इसको अगेन क्या लिख सकते हैं, 0 टू इनफाइनाइट एंड 0 टू z. इसको फिर वही लिखेंगे जैसे पहले किया था हमने सबमिशन में, 0 टू इनफाइनाइट एंड 0 टू z. तो दिस, but this is a probability density function, so the value of this integral will be 1. After solving this we get this equation. So now from here take this C2 right hand side and then divide by C1 plus C2, so we get this. So now if you differentiate again, so you will get positive value. Fine. So this gives you the maximum. Fine. So this is the model. This is for the continuous case, and this is for the this is for the discrete case, and this is for the continuous case. Fine. Now in the next video we will take another model. Thank you.